Alright everyone, so today we're going to be tucking my wiring harness. So first thing we got to do is take this fender off and then we can get to tucking it. So let's get to it. Alright, so first of all there's bolts here that you got to remove. So I think looks like there's 3 on mine here. They're just 10mm. Front bumper holds onto the front fender here as well, right here in this corner. Looks like there's a screw here too that holds on to the front fender. That's for the corner light, and then these right here hold on. And then there's 2 bolts that hold the fender on back here. One at the top here, and there's one down here. And there's one more screw right here behind the front bumper. There it is. Alrighty, so as you can see, someone already tucked the wiring harness here, and it looks like they had it lowered and they had to repair some of the wires here. And then what they didn't do, it's like they just tried to bash right here so that it would have enough room, but that obviously did not work very well because you can see here some of the wires are still being worn down. So let's see. I think what I'm going to do is take all this off, cut here so that the wires can actually rest up more, and then rewrap some of these wires. Dang, they're even rubbing down here. So I don't know how much of this is me and how much is like pre-wire wrap because the person was super low before or something. So I guess I'll have to just get it up even better and then hope that that helps. Alrighty, so the plan is to cut right here so that this can then tuck up right up there. And hopefully be more out of the way than where it is right here. And I think by cutting it, it will actually have the space that it needs. So let's get to that.
Silence calls to me from the treetops of this world.
So now I'm just going to grind it down a little bit so that it's not as rough.
I'm a part of this place of birth.
So now I'm going to rewrap some of the wires so that they don't short on each other.
Last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
So I set up this electrical tape here. It's not going to protect much, but I'm going to check back after driving for a little bit and see if it's wearing down. And if it is, then I know that it's me that's wearing it down and not the previous owner. So let's get this zip tied back up. And we should be all good to go. Alrighty, now we just need to put the fender back on. This is definitely, before it was sitting right here, and now it's sitting right here, which is way better. It's kind of protected by this metal and this up here. So, hoping that will be enough. And we'll check back in a little bit to make sure, but that should be good. So got the wire harness all tucked up. Hopefully it's a little better than what was there before, so the wires don't actually rub. I'll be checking back pretty frequently just to make sure that it's all good. But thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
It's